Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a cloud project and enabling the Sheets API. This gives you programmatic access. Once done, create a service account and download the JSON key because that file proves your identity to Google. Make sure to install gspread and Google Auth in your Python environment so you can talk to the API. Also share the target spreadsheet with the service account email. Without that permission, your requests will be denied. Now you're ready to authenticate in code and proceed to authorization. You will load the downloaded JSON key into a credentials object and authorize a client. That step exchanges your service account key for usable auth tokens. Once authorized, open the spreadsheet by its ID or URL so you target the right file, then select the worksheet you want to work with. From there, read data with get all records or fetch ranges, and write with update or append row. Be careful with batching and rate limits, because efficient requests prevent quota exhaustion and improve performance. You finish by running the script locally and verifying read/write behavior, then deploy it. Use a container, cron job, or cloud function for automation. Make sure tokens and keys are stored securely and rotate credentials regularly. Principle of least privilege reduces risk. If something goes wrong, first confirm the spreadsheet is shared with the service account email and that the API is enabled for your project. Also check quotas and error messages. They tell you whether to slow requests, refresh credentials, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.